How to get recovery code for Microsoft account. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get a recovery code for your Microsoft account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Microsoft.com. And then you're going to have to log into your account next. Then click on your account section right here and then click on My Microsoft Account, which will open up a new tab where you have an option to change your account settings. Now once your new tab is loaded, you will have to find a settings called Security. So on the left side of your screen, you'll find different options. Simply head over to the Security tab right here. And once you land on the Security page, scroll down a bit until you find your data and devices. And then from here, click on View My Device. From here, you can see where you are signed in. Now from here, you're just going to go ahead and tap on this Manage How I Sign In option. It will take you to a different page. Here you have an option to change your password, view your email code, and if you scroll down all the way, you'll have an option called Recovery Code. Click on Generate a New Code, and you'll get a 25-digit recovery code. You have to keep this in a safe place because once you have created this code, your old code will not work anymore. So that's how you generate or find a recovery code for your a Microsoft account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys next time.